Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you some techniques you can use to change the size of your image in Photoshop. One of the common ways to do so is to resize the image. This is the technique we use when we want to simply change the image dimensions. In Photoshop, go to the Image menu and select Image Size. Width and height should be expressed in pixels, not inches, for images intended for online use. Make sure the link icon is on. This will assure that the original image proportions are maintained after resizing. You also want to check the Resample Image box in order to allow the program to add or remove some pixels as you make the image smaller or bigger. Finally, enter the desired width. Because you clicked on the link icon, the height value will change automatically. Click OK to save the resized image. Now let's talk about cropping. We use this feature when we want to cut out parts of the image and to change the image ratio. Pick the Crop tool from the Tool panel. As you do, a border will appear around your image, which you can resize by dragging the edges. As you move the border, the program will show you a preview of your cropped image. Before you save the cropped image, you should make a short stop at the options bar to see if the Delete Cropped Pixels is on or off. When the box is checked, the pixels you cropped out will be deleted forever. If you want to keep them just in case, make sure to uncheck the box. Finally, to save your cropped image, click the check mark at the top right of the option bar. Another thing we can use to change the size of our image is the Canvas Size option. This allows you to cut out the parts of the image you don't want to use by cutting the canvas on which the image sits. Or you can expand the canvas and use the extra space to add more elements. To change the canvas size, head over to the Image menu and pick Canvas Size. What you need to do first is change the setting from inches to pixels. Next, you can either enter the desired total of pixels you want to have, or you can click Relative and simply type in the number of pixels you want to add. Use the anchor diagram to define where you want to place the additional pixels, simply by moving the anchor point around. Once the canvas size is just as you want it to be, click OK to save the changes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.